Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 4500 watt RV ready open frame inverter with CO Shield. Our innovative design makes this unit 50% quieter and 20% lighter than the traditional 4500 watt generator. Perfect for using recreationally, for your next project, taking on small trips, or providing power to a few essential household items during a power outage. This unit comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet to easily get power while you're on the road, as well as two 120 volt household outlets, a 12 volt DC outlet, and a dual port USB adapter for convenient charging on the go. Or connect two units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide up to 50 amps of power directly to your RV. And for added protection, this inverter utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your operating area. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the unit. Add oil to the engine. Move the unit outside. Add gasoline. Start the engine. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 4500 watt RV ready open frame inverter with CO Shield. Innovation, power, and dependability.